So the next topic, yesterday in the previous video we have discussed what is SQC. Next we are going to discuss the topic basis of statistical quality control. So what are the basis for statistical control? Means statistical control or SQC, after doing all the analysis, it is going to conclude whether the process is under statistical control or out of statistical control. Means it always measures the variability in given process. Variability is inherent means built in. All the processes involves the variability from time to time. So I think if you take any manufacturing company, it cannot produce all the units of same kind all the time. So let us say that it is producing a number of electric fans per day. Let us say that it produces 100 electric fans per day. So even though the same company, the same machinery and the same manpower are involved, we observe that all the 100 fans produced by unit may not be same every day. There may be some defects, or we observe some variability in this quality of these fans even though the system or the process is same. Now this variability is nothing but the change in quality of these items so produced are dependent on two factors called chance causes and assignable causes. Means, as I said you, that even though the same company produces all the 100 fans, that may not be same, it may not have the same quality. They may differ in some dimensions. Means we observe variation in the products produced by the company from time to time or day to day. Means the variability is inherent means always exist in any process. Now our study is to find what are the causes for these variability or the changes in the quality of the items produced. Generally the variability in any process is because of two causes called chance causes and assignable causes. Let us see what are these chance causes and assignable causes. Chance causes means those are the constant cause system in any particular scheme of production or inspection. Means I said you that depends upon the 4 M's. What are those 4 M's? Any process depends upon first M called machines, second M called manpower, management and material. These are the 4 M's the quality of any item so produced depends on. Now if the material is bad or if the material supplied is not of so good, you are going to get defected items. If the management is not taking correct policies during the production or the manufacturing, it is going to affect the quality. Means if the quality change in any item or in any product is because of these 4 M's, we call the variability the variability is because of chance causes. Means whenever the variability or the change in quality of the items produced is because of these 4 M's, we call that this as a chance causes. This, if the material is not good, we can replace the material with a good one. If the management doesn't take good decisions, the decisions can be changed to get to increase the quality. Manpower, if the workers are not skilled one, we can train them to get the good quality of the fans. Whenever chance causes means because of these 4 M's, and those causes can be rectified for the next batch of production. Means by observing, if you observe that those fans so produced are because of the manpower, because of the unskilled persons or the labor, for the next batch of production you can rectify that defect. Means whenever the variability is because of those 4 M's, we call those as chance causes. The variability is because of chance causes, and those chance causes can be rectified and they can be eliminated. So these chance causes are also called the preventable, allowable or preventable causes, which we can the variability can be prevented because of these chance factors. So what are the assignable causes? Assignable causes are also called the small change. I said you the variability is because of two causes called chance causes and assignable causes. Whenever the defect is because of 4M, we call those as assignable causes, not the chance causes. If the change in the quality of the particular item is because of 4Ms, we call those as assignable causes and they can be eliminated or they can be detected. All those are called the assignable causes. Chance causes, the second one is nothing but chance causes. Chance causes are nothing but the causes which these are the causes which cause the variability because of the random pattern. If we observe, let us say that a company is running for a long time, all of a sudden I think if because of natural calamities like earthquakes, floods, if the production stops and we observe that a major change in the change in the production of the particular items, means whenever we have the causes are random or because of the natural calamities
Have you ever tried to make a milkshake?
like floods, earthquakes and epidemics. So if you observe the best example nowadays because of corona, I think some of the industries are all of a sudden closed or they have reduced their production capacity because of non-availability of something or because of the major reason called epidemics. Whenever we observe a variability in the quality or variability in the production of the particular item because of random means these are random means where we cannot predict the pattern of the disturbances because of the random factors such as natural calamities, floods, earthquakes and epidemics. We call those causes are chance causes and they cannot be detected or they cannot be eliminated. Means we observe that variability in the quality or the production of any item is inherent, means common, which is based on two factors called chance causes or chance factors, assignable causes or assignable factors. What are chance causes? Chance causes means these are the factors which influence the quality or the production of the item in a random manner, like the natural calamities like earthquakes, floods and epidemics. Because of these factors, the production or the quality is going to be disturbed or going to change, which cannot be eliminated or which cannot be detected. The second factor is nothing but assignable causes. These assignable causes are called preventable causes. Preventable are nothing but those can be rectified. If you observe there is a disturbance in the quality of the production, in the quality of the particular item so produced because of the defective material, then we can replace the defective material with a good one and we can improve the quality of the particular item. So as I said you that 4M's mission, manpower, management and material. If the variability in the product is because of any of these 4M's, we call those as assignable factors which is influencing the quality of the item and which can be detected. We can detect by phase and we can we can detect and we can eliminate for the improvement. So among these two, chance factors cannot be detected, whereas assignable causes can be eliminated and can be detected. Thank you.
Here, madam. Welcome to the Ayurvedic